So we're going to look at these graphs and we're going to decide, is it a polynomial? And then if it's a polynomial, the zeros and the least possible degree, because we're not sure. We talked about turning points, but remember if it touches, right, and bounces off, it could have a bigger degree. So remember what makes a polynomial? It could have no corners or cusps. It has to be, and it has to be smooth. And it has to be continuous. So if I look here, I'm going to look at this one first because this one's pretty easy. What do I notice here? Oh, there's a gap. It's not continuous, so this is not a polynomial because there's a gap. And if I look at this one, what do you notice here? There's a corner, so it's not a polynomial either. This one, no corners or cusps, and it's continuous, so it is a polynomial. And if I want to know what my zeros are, remember my zeros are where it crosses the x-axis, so my zeros appear to be at -1 and 2. And let me count my turning points. I have 1, 2, 3 turning points, so the least possible degree is 4. Least possible. It could be 6, could be more. It has to be even. Remember, because they're both pointing up, so that's even. That's another attribute of a polynomial. Now this one, it has no gaps, it has no corners or cusps, so it's a polynomial. And it has a 0 here, here, and here. So it has 3 zeros, and they are at -1, 1, and 2. And the degree, it has, let's see, 1, 2 turning points. The least degree is 3 because it's 2 plus 1, 2 turning points plus 1. So that's a simple way to start analyzing graphs. We'll look at more properties later and analyze even more.